Constitutional and non-constitutional bodies in India. Quick facts for UPSC. Election Commission of India. Type: Constitutional body. Article 324. Established 25th January 1950. Composition: Chief Election Commissioner (CEC) plus Election Commissioners (ECs). Appointment by the President of India on the recommendation of a committee consisting PM, Leader of Opposition in Lok Sabha and CJI. Tenure: 6 years or until 65 years of age, whichever is earlier, and determined by President. Functions: conducts elections to Parliament, state legislatures, and offices of President and Vice President, prepares and revises electoral rolls, grants recognition to political parties and allocates symbols, enforces Model Code of Conduct. CEC and ECs have equal powers and allowances, similar to SC judge. Decisions are taken by majority vote. Removal: CEC, same manner as a Supreme Court judge ECS, and on CEC's recommendation by the President. Resignation: President. Ministry: Ministry of Law and Justice. Union Public Service Commission. Type: Constitutional body. Articles 315 to 323. Established 1st October 1926. Composition: Chairman plus members, number determined by the President. Appointment by the President of India. Tenure: 6 years or until 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. Functions: conducts examinations for all India services and central services. Advises on promotions, transfers, and disciplinary matters. Removal by the President on grounds of misbehavior after Supreme Court inquiry. Can be removed by President only in cases of insolvency, office of profit, or infirmity of mind or body, and misbehavior, defined in Constitution, only upon binding advice of Supreme Court after enquiry. Ministry: Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions. Finance Commission of India. Type: Constitutional body. Article 280. Established 1951. Composition: Chairman plus 4 members. Appointment by the President of India. Tenure: specified by the President, usually 5 years. Functions: recommends distribution of tax revenues between centre and states. Suggests principles for grants in it to states. Ministry: Ministry of Finance. Goods and Services Tax, GST, Council. Type: Constitutional body. Article 279A. Established 2016. Composition: Chairperson, Union Finance Minister. Members: Union Minister of State for Finance and State Finance Ministers. Functions: makes recommendations on GST rates, exemptions, and thresholds. Resolves disputes related to GST implementation. Constituted by President. Decision making: 75% majority vote. Ministry: Ministry of Finance. National Commission for Scheduled Tribes, NCST. Type: Constitutional body. Article 338A. Established 2004. Composition: Chairperson plus Vice Chairperson plus 3 members. Appointment by the President of India. Tenure: 3 years. Functions: protects rights of scheduled tribes. Evaluates development programs for STs. Submits reports to the President. Ministry: Ministry of Tribal Affairs. National Commission for Scheduled Castes. Type: Constitutional body. Article 338. Composition: Chairperson plus Vice Chairperson plus 3 members. Appointment by the President of India. Tenure: 3 years. Functions: investigates and monitors safeguards for scheduled castes. inquires into specific complaints, submits reports to the President. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. National Commission for Backward Classes. Type: Constitutional Body, Article 338B. Established 1993, became constitutional in 2018. Composition: Chairperson plus Vice Chairperson plus 3 members. Appointment by the President of India. Tenure: 3 years. Functions: examines inclusion and exclusion of communities in OBC list. Addresses grievances of OBCs. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Special Officer for Linguistic Minorities. Type: Constitutional Body, Article 350B. Appointment by the President of India. Functions: investigates matters relating to linguistic minorities. Reports to the President on the status of safeguards. Ministry of Minority Affairs. Controller and Auditor General of India. Type: Constitutional Body, Article 148. Appointment by the President of India. Tenure: 6 years or until 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. Functions: audits accounts of the union and state governments. Ensures transparency and accountability in public finance. Removal: same manner as a Supreme Court judge, President. Ministry: independent, reports directly to the President. Attorney General of India. Type: Constitutional Post, Article 76. Appointment by the President of India. Qualifications: must be qualified to be appointed as a Supreme Court judge. Tenure: holds office during the pleasure of the President. Resignation: President. Functions: Chief Legal Advisor to the Government of India. Represents the government in the Supreme Court. Ministry of Law and Justice. Advocate General of State. Type: Constitutional Post, Article 165. Appointment by the Governor of the respective state. Qualifications: must be qualified to be appointed as a High Court judge. Tenure: holds office during the pleasure of the Governor. Functions: Chief Legal Advisor to the state government. Represents the state in legal matters. Ministry, State Government. National Human Rights Commission. Type: Statutory Body, Protection of Human Rights Act, 1993. Composition: Chairperson, Retired Chief Justice of India, plus members, Chairperson and 5 other members plus ex officio member, 7 Chairpersons of NCSC, NCST, NCBC, NCW, NCPCR, NCM and Chief Commissioner for PWD. Appointment by the President of India. Tenure: 3 years or until 70 years of age, whichever is earlier. Resignation: President. Functions: investigates human rights violations. Promotes human rights awareness. Ministry of Home Affairs. State Human Rights Commission. Type: Statutory Body, Protection of Human Rights Act, 1993. Composition: Chairperson, Retired Chief Justice of High Court, plus members. Appointment by the Governor of the respective state. Tenure: 3 years or until 70 years of age, whichever is earlier. Resignation: Governor. Functions: investigates human rights violations within the state. Promotes human rights awareness. Ministry, State Government. Central Information Commission. Type: Statutory Body, Right to Information Act, 2005. Composition: Chief Information Commissioner plus up to 10 Information Commissioners. Appointment by the President of India. Tenure: 5 years or until 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. Functions: adjudicates on RTI appeals and complaints. Ensures transparency in public authorities. Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions. State Information Commission. Type: statutory body, Right to Information Act, 2005. Composition: State Chief Information Commissioner plus up to 10 Information Commissioners. Appointment by the Governor of the respective state. Tenure: 5 years or until 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. Functions: adjudicates on RTI appeals and complaints within the state. Ensures transparency in state public authorities. Ministry, State Government. Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI. Type: statutory body, Delhi Special Police Establishment Act, 1946. Composition: Director plus officers. Appointment: Director appointed by the central government on the recommendation of a committee. Tenure: 2 years. Functions: investigates corruption and major criminal cases. Assists in anti-corruption efforts. Established on the recommendations of Santhanam Committee, it looks into crimes related to corruption, economic offences, and serious and organized crime apart from terrorism. Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions. Central Vigilance Commission. Type: statutory body, Central Vigilance Commission Act, 2003. Composition: Central Vigilance Commissioner plus up to 2 Vigilance Commissioners. Appointment by the President of India. Tenure: 4 years or until 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. Functions: monitors all vigilance activity under the central government. Advises various authorities in planning, executing, reviewing, and reforming their vigilance work. Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions. Lokpal. Type: statutory body, Lokpal and Lokayuktas Act, 2013. Composition: chairperson plus up to 8 members, 50% judicial. Appointment by the President of India on the recommendation of a selection committee. Functions: inquires into allegations of corruption against public functionaries. Ensures accountability in governance. Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions. Under the purview of Lokpal, PM, ministers, MPs and officers from all groups, ABCD. It cannot undertake action suo motu. Lokayuktas, composition and functions vary from state to state.